Hello my friends and welcome back to another video. So today we're checking out this power bank. It's a dual fast charge mobile power bank with a magnetization feature. So I'm excited. You guys know that I love small and compact things. So already I am excited to check this out. It looks to be a different style than what you guys and what I'm used to. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Well, they definitely packaged that in there very good. A little tough to get out. There we go. All right. So we got, oh wow, this is actually really nice. We got a Type-C to Type-C cable. They also supply you a Type-C to Apple cable, as well as a manual inside here. And this is it, guys. Like, what? This is so cool. Look how small this is. Guys, look at this. So you got Type-C, Type-C, two Type-C ports. Wow. That is cool. Small, but it's actually got some weight to it. So let's go ahead and connect this to our cell phone and see how it charges. So if it's charging, you're gonna hear my, let's see, both are 20 watts max. So if it charges, you're gonna hear my phone make a charging sound. All right, it is charging. Wow, so as it's charging, this flashes or fades glow. That is pretty cool as it's charging your phone. That is nice. I like that. Let's go ahead and I want to check my phone. Turn this off. Charging rapidly. So from 30% to full says about an hour. An hour and 9 minutes. So probably camera's not going to pick it up, but it says charging rapidly. So you guys know that this is authentic. It charges fast. That is awesome, guys. And look how small it is. I love that. I absolutely love this. This is definitely in my top 5 favorite power banks just because of the size. Let's go ahead and plug this and see if it makes any color when we charge the device itself. So we go here, take it in, plug it in. Okay, so now, I don't know if you guys can see this, it's probably too light, but it's blinking like a purple. So when you have it charging the device, it blinks purple and blue when you're actually charging your different device. It says compatible with Apple phone case with MagSafe. So guys, either way, small, compact. I'm giving this a 5-star because I absolutely love this. Small and compact. That's the way to go. Fit it in your pocket, no problem. Your back pocket, no problem. Your jean pocket, no problem. Your purse, no problem. Your fanny pack, no problem. Your bug out bag, no problem. In your vehicle, you can take this anywhere and everywhere. Very impressed by the size of this. I mean, and it is also 8000 mAh. While that's not the biggest bank in the system, 8000 is still good for such a small little item.